Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya from 3rd BCA Maharani Science College for Women. Here I am going to explain about the topic decision tree in cloud computing and big data analytics. Decision tree is a wide area of machine learning and it covers both classification and regression. As the name goes, it uses a tree-like model of decisions. Here we will see structure of decision tree. It contains the different nodes, the root node, internal nodes and leaf nodes. The very top of the tree is called root node and it is also called as decision node. The middle of the nodes are called as internal nodes. The internal nodes have arrows pointing to them and they have arrows pointing away from them. The end nodes are called as leaf nodes. Leaf nodes have arrows pointing to them but there are no arrows pointing away from them. Next we will move to definition of decision tree. Generally, decision tree is a map of possible outcomes of a series of related choices. The actual definition is a decision tree is a very specific type of probability tree that enables you to make a decision about some kind of process. Decision trees are commonly used in operation research, specifically in decision analysis, and popular tool in machine learning. Machine learning means it is the concept that a computer program can learn and adapt to new data without human intervention. Here this is the sample decision tree. Let us check. A person has a resting heart rate greater than 100 ppm. Here there are two possible outcomes, true or false. If it is true, then that person had better to see a doctor. If it is false, then that person is doing okay. In general, decision tree asks a question and then classifies the person based on the answer. Decision tree based on yes or no questions, but it is not just as easy to build a tree from numeric data. Then another example for decision tree is we have to check whether a person is fit or unfit. Let us consider a person having age less than 30. There are two outcomes, yes or no. If a person is less than 30, then we have another test. We check that whether he eat pizza. Here also two outcomes. If the person eat pizza, then he is unfit. Otherwise, he is fit. Next, if a person's age is not less than 30, then we have another test. We check that whether he will doing exercise. If yes, he is fit. Otherwise, he is unfit. This is the example for decision tree. Next, why is decision tree used for? For what purpose we need decision trees? Decision tree are used to solve both classification and regression problems in the form of trees that can be incrementally updated by splitting the data set into smaller data sets, numerical and categorical, where the results are represented in the leaf nodes. Means it is used to solve both classification and regression problems in the form of tree by splitting the data into smaller data sets. Then the result is displayed in the leaf node. For this purpose we have to use decision tree. Next, advantages and disadvantages of decision tree. First advantage is it is easy to understand and interpret and easy to explain to non-technical people. Interpret means what someone is saying, you translate it immediately into another language. Next advantage is useful in data exploration. Decision tree is one of the fastest way to identify most significant variables and relation between two or more variables. Next advantage is data type is not constrained. Here it can handle both numerical and categorical variables. So data type is not a constraint. Next point is it can be used with other decision techniques. Next one, new scenarios can easily be added, means new features can be added. Next, disadvantages. The first disadvantage is calculations can quickly become very complex, although this is usually a problem if the tree is being created by hand. If we create a tree by hand, the calculations can be complex. The calculations can become very complex. Next disadvantage is limitations for continuous variable. While working with continuous numerical variables, decision tree losses information, means it loses information when it discretized variables in different categories. This is the explanation about decision tree. Thank you.